Jets proudly presents this remarkable 2000 Citation CJ1, serial number 525-0400. Serial number 400 is fully enrolled in Williams TAP Elite engine program and features fresh interior and exterior upgrades. The avionics package features the Collins ProLine 21 system, complete with universal UNS 1K flight management system, integral GPS, dual Garmin 330D Mode S transponders, as well as ADF and DME. The aircraft's executive interior, designed for 5 passengers, was recently upgraded in 2013 and is furnished with oyster leather seats, matching upholstery, and almond carpeting. The oyster leather is accented with walnut wood cabinetry featuring dual executive writing tables. Other interior upgrades include 110-volt AC power outlets, whisper quiet soundproofing, and a Ford refreshment center, giving you all the tools you need for a comfortable and productive flight. The wing design of the CJ1 features a natural laminar flow wing, delaying the onset of airflow separation longer and improving the lift-to-drag characteristics by 10 to 15% when compared to earlier Citation designs. This beautiful CJ1 was recently refurbished in 2013 with an overall Matterhorn white body, metallic black, and gold accent striping. The Citation CJ1 jet delivers unparalleled reliability, superior efficiency, all without sacrificing productivity or comfort. This aircraft's well-equipped cockpit, comfortable yet elegant cabin, and remarkable operating economics make it a clear choice for owner pilots as well as corporate flight departments. The 2000 CESSNA Citation CJ1, serial number 525-0400. Jets, freedom, adventure, delivered.